welcome back to my channel, guys. It's me, Bless Me Toy, coming back at you with another one. Yes, it's me, and I'm back, and I'm here with another video, yeah. Anyways, this video today is going to be on my foundation. I'm going to be doing a affordable foundation routine, cheap for foundation routine, not expensive foundation routine. So this is for when your pockets is tight, but you want to be snatched in the face. That's what this who this tutorial is for. Not all the times you want to spend $60, $50 on a foundation. Sometimes you just want to spend a little bit of a coin, like maybe 16, 20 the most. So that is what I'm here for today. I'm going to be recommending some foundations to you, and I'm also going to be recommending, just showing you how I do my foundation with inexpensive supplies. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to add me at Blush Me Twice on Instagram. I will be doing a giveaway soon. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below this very here video. Go. What's school? 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 So when I'm doing foundation, using like drugstore brands or inexpensive brands, I usually use either my CoverGirl Matte Ambition foundation, my Mabelline Fit Me foundation in number 340, or I would go with one that I've recently found. I've seen it before, but I've recently tried it and I actually do like this. This is the Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear. Oh, this was in the color 525. Okay. So this is the foundation I will be demoing with today because I think they have a good range of colors. For concealer, ooh, remember back in the day, the LA Pro Conceal? I used to use that all the time, but recently I've been using this Infallible Full Wear. And this one is in the color Honey. And then I usually just use this, you remember this is like really old school. This is like taking it back. But this is like the instant age rewind eraser. You know, it has this applicator thing. And I usually just use this to add a little bit more of a highlight. But I'll show you guys what I mean by that in a minute. So like I said, my eyebrows are done, my face is prepped. So I'm just going to apply the foundation. I'm going to spray my sponge. I actually sprayed it with this Pixie spray. You can find this at Target. It's not too much. Like I said, I'll put the price of it up down below in the description box. I want to say this is like $16. I know it's cheaper than the Max Fix Plus spray, so if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, this is like the same kind of spray idea. So, my wig bag coming. So, as always, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the concealer. Like I said, this is an Infallible Full Wear concealer. If you have a corrector, you can correct. I don't have an affordable brand, like a cheaper corrector. I honestly don't even correct. I just use a golden tone concealer to like get rid of my spots. But I'm going to use this regular concealer today and just go over. Look at this. This happened the other day. Look at that damn mark. Look at this. I don't know what's going on with my skin. I've been trying to fix it, but it's like it's getting worse before it fixes. I don't understand. Okay, so I'm just going to go over the spots like that. And I'm not going to take a blending brush. I'm going to use I'm not going to use a beauty blender to blend that out. I'm going to go with the blending brush like this and just blend it. And to be honest, I don't blend this out to like nothing because I want to keep some coverage. I'm gonna take a little bit of this spray to spray my face because I feel like my skin's kind of on the dry side right now. So I'm gonna stop right there. Now I'm gonna go in with the foundation. Once again, I'm using the Infallible 24-hour fresh wear, and this is in the color 525. So this is a little bit darker. This will be a better see, this will definitely be better as a summer color for me, definitely. But I believe I purchased this color because the color at the time, hold on. So yeah, so I believe I purchased this color at the time because the color lighter than this was just gonna be way too light. Like, you know how it would be. So I know it looks really dark. At least to me in person it does look dark, but I'm gonna fix that in a second. With concealer and everything, it'll blend right out. So using a clean foundation brush. This is a Morphe 435. I usually just spray my brush. That's just a thing I do, makes me feel better, so I'm gonna do it. And I'm going to blend this out. So whoa, look at my skin. First of all, look at my chest and look at my face. Two different colors, but this is a good example. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you fix this problem. So right, you like, oh snap, can you see? Let me show you. There you go. Ooh, look at the glow the mirror just gave me. So now you're like, oh snap, like, oh, I'm a little too dark, whatever. Ready? You ready? Take your concealer because it's lighter as it is already. And this is the same concealer I've been talking about the whole video. And I'm just going to put it here. This is going to balance everything out. I have a rounder face, so I tend to put my concealer in a triangle shape. If you have a more of a triangle shape and you want like a wider look on your foundation, you can bring it out. You could not bring it as low and just bring it out wider. Okay? Boom, boom, boom. That's it. We don't gotta do all the, remember they used to do all the Instagram lines and all that nonsense. We don't gotta do that no more. Right? Now, make sure you take your blending brush. For me, it has to be moist. I need a moist blending sponge, or it's just not gonna work. That's just me. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Bring that up to your eyelids, especially if you're gonna put, well, I like to bring the color up over my eyelids just to give my eyelids like a little base already for when I put my eyeshadow on. Even if you're not putting eyeshadow, I think it's nice to put concealer on your lid like that because it evens everything out. And I'm looking slight greasy, but I feel like I'm looking greasy and I feel like I'm looking like my eyebrows is woofing. Okay, so now you can see it's more of a match to my neck a little bit more. If you really felt the need to, ooh, Look at that with no chin, no chin. Who know a good plastic surgeon? Because I'm ready to suck this chin out. Somebody let me know. But you can see that it matches more now. Usually I would add this concealer just to brighten just a little bit more. Right now I'm gonna keep it like this because I'm really feeling this subtleness. So what I'm gonna do real quick is go off camera and apply my eyeshadow, and I'll be right back. So you guys, I'm back. As you can see, I went off camera and I finished my eye look just to get that out the way because this video is about the face. So we put on our foundation now with concealer. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of powder. Now the two powders I use, I cannot find a drugstore face powder that I like to keep it 100. I can't find one. Don't know what's that. I don't know what to tell you. So I've been using the Soft Focus, and usually when I do this kind of look, I don't put on an all over face powder. I usually just kind of bronze with this because right now for this time of the year it's darker than me, so it's kind of like a bronzer. And then I go in with the flower powder from this is from, what's the thing? Somebody come on, I mean, you know, come on, tell me what this is. Beauty, it clearly says it at the top, and I'm trying to figure out what is it. The Beauty Bakerie Flour powder. Yes, this one is in the color yellow. Real quick, I was in the store and I saw mad colors over there. I'm like, whoa, when did they come out with all these colors of flour powder? So they do have better colors to choose from in the store. At the time when I bought this, it was a while ago, I just bought the yellow one. So they have some darker colors now, so I might go back and get the slightly darker one because it's a better match for me. But what I do is I just take a little bit on a brush and I just like put it under my eye to kind of set, because this foundation, this concealer is, oh god, I just took too much. This concealer is a little bit on the shiny side, so I just take a very small amount of this just to dull it down just a little bit. Just a smidge, because I don't want to look too yellow, too ghostly. Just to kill the shine. See, now I look like a little ghostly. So what I'm going to do is just take a brush with a little bit of color on it and just do like this. And take away my ghostliness. Now with a whatever kind of brush you use to apply your powder, we're gonna take this and just do like a bronzing motion. Just I don't know if you can even see, but it did darken me just a smidge. If I put this all over my face, I'm definitely gonna look muddy, because I know to you right now on camera it probably doesn't look like so dark, but trust me, it's gonna look very muddy if I put it all over my face. If you want, you could go in with a little nose contour. I'm not really in that kind of mood right now. Ah, what the heck? Let's just do a little bit of nose, just a smidge. It does kind of bring everything together. Not to make my nose smaller, but just to add some more of that color. It's not really a contour, I don't call this one. Just the bronze, you want it to match. All right. So now that we got that on or whatever, because you know once you get your face on, nobody can tell you nothing. Excuse me? What happened? Because I thought I heard you say something. Alright, so we're gonna take our blush. This blush, whoa, I don't think I even explained this powder. This is the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. Yes, and this I got from CVS. So like I said, down below in the description box, I'm going to list everything I use, where I got it from, and how much I paid for it. Or how much it costs, or you can find it for. Because I don't know how much I paid for it. This, what I'm using now, is the e.l.f. blush. This color is Always Rosy. It's a nice pink, nudie, rosy color. And I'm going to apply that to my cheeks. So I'm gonna, if you don't, you know, remember the little trick. You do a little smile if you want. And just add it to the apples of the cheeks. Okay, here, you gotta get out the way. Very lightly. That's all I need. Okay. If you want, you can add a highlighter. This highlighter is from Wet n Wild. To be 100%, I'm not going to add a highlighter right now just because of the fact that I feel like I already have like a natural, because I didn't add all over face powder, I feel like I have a natural little thing going on. So I'm just going to rock out with that. Whoa. Let's go on to some lipsticks. Girl, the lipstick I was going to use was the ColourPop lipstick that I've been using. Oh my god, it's all downstairs in my purse. I'm going to try this other ColourPop liquid in Secreto. This is from somebody's collection, but the word dropped off, so I don't know. Okay, so woo! It's raining downstairs. I got my lip liner in my bag. So I'm gonna take my lip liner. This is the ColourPop Shayla collection. Again, $5. I'm gonna add a gloss on top of this. This is also ColourPop. This is the Ultra Glossy. The color is in don't have the color here. But I can tell you that this came with the Bretman Rock collection. So yeah. I'm just gonna, I know it looks nice and matte, but I really just want to add a little bit of this glitter gloss kind of thing going on. You know, add a little bit of to that. Okay, y'all, so that's really it. So much eating. I ain't eating plant-based today. No way. About to eat some pizza anyway. You know you gotta do it with the pepper on the top. Good God. But why Papa John's don't give you that one pepper? Why they do me like that?